some nice barbecue. Kazi kusha. Choma. Fry. Matumbo. Head and virenji. Out of that goat, I marinated some meat. Having my own mix of spices and some vinegar. And now, that will join that. There you go. So far, so good. We have others wrapped up there. So like, I think 50 chapatis. Making them for a client tomorrow. Wow. Merry Christmas, everyone. At our client's house today. We have some sausages. I made carrot cake. Nice carrot cake for the client. So made some mandazis and fruits. There we go for breakfast. Prepping for the Christmas gig. Have a lot of chicken to go through. Yes, sir. Kanyama kameiva. Oh, chafing dishes. Grill is there. Thank you for keeping me employed.
Poe. Hii kugeuza itakuwa
Isha pasuka.
Kugeuza itakuwa ingine. Vitu mimi najua ni gani.
Matura babufu.
Marega nimetoa mwana.
Oni kama na salt.
Unaweza pata ka tray hivi. Sawa.
Tunaweza ekelea hiyo kuna haja kuchoma hiyo hizo zenye ziko hapo ndani.
Pesa utafunga saizi.
Tunaendelea tu.